What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here at Galot Motorsports Park. We're testing it. We're hoping we're just gonna make one pass today. We're trying to get prepared for our weekend. The track's gonna be pretty sticky out there, so we're gonna put a little bit more air pressure in it. We got the tune-up a little hotter, so hopefully it's gonna go fast. I don't know, we'll see. If it goes fast, we're gonna make one pass. If it doesn't, we will tweak on it. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com. We got our first giveaway happening. Buy a t-shirt, get entered to win yourself a Hans 3 device. So y'all go to turbojohnracing.com and get entered. We're up here in the streetcar lane. They're doing the no time lane up there now, but we decided we want to make sure we want to go down behind some slicks and where it's not going to be quite so sticky, where they're not prepping just for you to go up there and run. So here we go, first round or first shakedown. We'll see what this does. You can see it got up on the wheel pretty hard and spun. So if you look at the data log, the first thing is I'm an idiot, and this has happened to me twice now. So the solid line there is the run that I just done. So look, it lets go to trans brake, and boom, I did have a little bit more on it there, but I did not have that much on it. It went to 26 pounds of boost. So the top number is the actual boost as it's making it. It hooked it initially, but look at the boost curve here. So we're at 0.6 seconds into the run. That's at 19 pounds of boost. And you see it's just going, climbing. It made 25 pounds of boost before I let off. But also, if you look, I was like, well, that's not what was supposed to be. I bet if you go back and look in the video, look at that. I'm a freaking idiot. It had 8 pounds on it on the scramble, and so when I let go of trans brake, it put 8 on top of what I was trying to make. So we're gonna have to go back up there again and try to make this pass again, because I mean, that's clearly not going to work. But that right there should be 8 pounds less dome pressure right there. So 8 pounds less, that should be about 16, 17 pounds of boost right there, and that's where I wanted it instead of 22. So I don't know if it's going to take it or not, though. We're going to try it, though. But that's why it knocked tire off. It knocked tire off because I'm an idiot and I had the scramble button pressed. You know, probably what I need to do is on that scramble button is hook it somehow to a light so that it doesn't, so that when it's pressed on, a light comes on. You know what I mean? And then that way I've got some type of notice. Or just don't be a fool and pull it back every time, make sure it's off. out here at Galot. David, he's got this. This is the car we shared a little bit of when I run last week. He's got the big block with a 118, and Cleve is here with his as well. He's been jumping on our live feeds with us. So this is a LS motor with a single turbo on it. So oh no, it's not LS. I have been deceived. I forgot. Look, I'm old school like you. Gen 1 small block Chevrolet, and it's not Sniper, right? Sniper X Flow. So he's just working the bugs out of this one. So I'm gonna pull up his computer real fast and take a look at it. And we just looked at David's and got his working. We're gonna turn his up just a little bit. He's on E85. What fuel are you on, Cleve? What fuel are you on? 110. Okay, so this is normal gas over here on this one. So that one was a little lean. It was lean popping, cutting off on the trans brake if you just let it sit too long. Cleve is yet to make a full pass yet or an attempt. So we're fixing to try this one out right now. Our second pass. We're going to make sure we don't turn on the scramble. Pass number 2. All this right here is just where I was on I was in the lane where there was a sportsman tree, and it was taking a little longer than I anticipated, but it got up there and hit the tire and spun again. So we're going to go back to what we know. The 497 pass is just a little bit hotter. I was trying something completely different, so it just didn't work out. Cleve made a pass. Did he say he made a good pass? What did it do, did he say?
Hold on the trans brake.
Okay, so he might be having some mechanical issues. All right, we're going to roll up there and try it again. here's the data log. Something was happening with the actual timing printer, and so I don't think this is accurate. 125 could be accurate with the wheelie. That 305 is inaccurate most likely. Most of the time it goes like 328, 330, 331, 518, 149. That was accurate. That 0, maybe that was a 6. Maybe that was supposed to be a 6. 365, that's probably not accurate. 3, definitely ain't a 15, 20, 30. Yeah, that's not accurate. I don't know what number that's supposed to be, but it's not supposed to be a 0. But I should have had the draggy on. That's what we were just saying. So, you know, I pedaled it. It was coming up. It was trying to do a monster wheel stand. It was still, that was a little aggressive. Now, the temperature is a lot cooler in here. So, or out here. And today, this was the busiest I have seen Galot Motorsports Park in a very long time. It was packed. But we had a blast out here. This was fun. I run into Junior Bissett. He looked at my door strap and he told me good job. So that's always awesome. This was a fail.
The ending was nice.
Yeah, but this was a fail. My goal was to come down here today and get a 480 tune-up, and I failed. I did not get I didn't get a 480 or 485 or nothing. So I got yeah, this is a fail.
What? You're going home with your car in one piece.
Car is in one piece. So we're ready. We're ready for Kinston. So I'm gonna go home tonight and I'm gonna modify this tune up a little bit. I'm gonna compare it and see how quickly. I did leave a little bit harder, and when I left a little bit harder, what it does, you see how it gets on the boost ramp a little bit faster. So maybe the solution is to put the 497 tune up back in it and just leave a little bit harder. Leave it 4,200 RPM, and that way the boost is up, elevated higher, and so it's gonna follow the ramp faster. I know it's gonna do that, so maybe that's gonna be our solution off the trailer Saturday at Kinston. So, all right, guys, well, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget, we got our first ever giveaway, so make sure you go to turbojohnracing.com, pick you up some t-shirts and get entered to get you a Hans device. Oh, something else I done with the Hans device today. I took my little the little Velcro things off, the little pads, and this thing is much more comfortable. I can move my head a lot better. It is a lot more comfortable. So just FYI for the winter. All right, guys, later.